Travel is the activity of making journey to another geographical location other than where we live. Travel teaches us many things that we cannot learn from residing at a place. Travel enriches our knowledge and increases our wisdom. Travel Institute of Travel and Tourism Management India Private Limited is an institute based in Pune offering training, education, research in sustainable management of travel and tourism. Travent is established with the proven track record of supporting and guiding the tourism industry through its sister companies BTW Visa Services India Private Limited and Journey Cart Holidays for more than 5 years. Hence, it is poised to play the role of nerve center of tourism education in Pune. Travent is dedicated to nurturing professionals who are committed to contribute towards the success of hospitality and tourism industry globally.
Hi, this is Vinit Chandale. I am working with as a senior visa executive in BTW Visa Services India Private Limited. We are a company providing visa services to all the countries since last many years with a specialized staff and a trained staff taking care of all your documentations, your visa handling, whether it has been short term, long term, whether you are any client, whether we provide services for all the corporates, travel agents, walk-ins all over the India, and we have been hosting this company since last 5 to 6 years, and we do take care of all your handling. As we know, the travel is a very important part, whether it's a tourist, whether it's a business or family visa, etc. So you can trust us and there won't be any issue for any of your travel and visa services. Thank you.
We at Traven believe in practical training and so also offer you on-job training, paid internship, earn and learn schemes during your course at companies like BTW Visa Services, Journey Cart Holidays and many more. You will be trained by experts in particular departments and during which one can also select the department he or she wants to excel and specialize in.
The institute conducts 9-month sandwich diploma in travel and tourism, short-term courses and fast-track training in travel and tourism. During the course tenure, students undergo on-job training which gives them excellent exposure to the industry and helps them in sustainable placement. Looking to the demands of Indian and global economy, our programs offer dual specialization for learners to enable them to acquire the right skill set with ample flexibility to adopt and employing organization's needs.
Hello everyone, this is Trishti Karganchi working with BTW Visa Services in the travel industry since last 1 year. My experience with BTW Visa Services has been a great experience, learning new things, meeting new people, new knowledgeable things every day, and my experience sharing with you guys through Travel Institute will be a great thing. I think you people can learn a lot many things from us through practical learning and theoretical as well.
At Travent, a student finds a very comfortable learning environment, a spirit of warmth and friendliness, a sense of genuine caring and mutual respect between students, staff and instructors. We at Travent believe in inculcating the values which helps the young professionals to work with focused, intellectual and realistic approach towards life. Travent provides support and guidance for the individual throughout their career in travel and tourism with 100% placement assurance for lifetime. Travent Institute has faculty who are widely known in the region of travel and tourism with tons of experience.
We all as a team will be glad to share our knowledge, expertise and experiences with all you guys through Travent.
Hello everyone. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of you for having selected travel and tourism as a career. People are very keen on doing engineering or maybe telecommunication, but travel and tourism contributes a major part of the economy. So it's a very nice initiative that institutes like Travent, which is a sister concern of BTW Visa Services India Private Limited, and I being a part of Journey Cart Holidays, the holiday division of BTW Visa Services, would like to thank each one of you for being a part of this, for having selecting this career.